If you see excess smoke while using your Tomahawk power screed, the engine might be flooded with oil. Let's fix that in just a few steps. You will need container for excess oil, replacement air filter, SAE-10W30 4-stroke motor oil measuring cup. First, remove the oil reservoir cap and check if it's overflowing. Next, pump out or carefully pour out the oil. Check the air filter. If it's wet, dry it out thoroughly or replace it with a new one. At this point, you can also run the engine until the smoke subsides to burn off any remaining excess oil. Now, refill the oil reservoir with exactly 100 milliliters or 3.4 ounces of SAE-10W30 4-stroke motor oil. Use the Screed's included measuring cup for accuracy. Don't overfill to avoid flooding the engine again. Finally, replace the oil reservoir cap securely. To keep your Screed running smoothly, always check the oil levels before starting it. Move at a steady pace for an even finish, and clean the Screed after each use. And that's it. Your Tomahawk power Screed should now be running perfectly. For more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your equipment, click subscribe today.